to my channel. Today I am going to be filming me taking my twist down, not styling them, but just taking down a twist out using Ottawa Beauty. I absolutely love this brand. This is the styler that I use. It's by Ottawa Beauty, Curl Defining Cream. I started out with stretched hair and all I used was water and this product mostly on the ends because I like my hair to be stretched. And I think you'll be able to see in some of this footage that my twisting pattern is basically I do 2 flat twists here, apart down the middle, do 2 twists in the back, 2 in the middle, 2 at the top, and that's literally what I do. And the reason why I like doing that is because that helps me have my hair ready for when I wear wigs. That's why I do the flat twist here, because with that I can just put it all in a ponytail in the back and I can put a cap on and put a wig on. And honestly, wigs and the cap help my hair get super defined because it's basically almost like a weighted like scarf basically, because you know, if you just put on a scarf, yes, it's holding your hair down, but if you put on a wig, honey, that's like weighing it down, like for real. It's making sure your twists are really baking under there, like with pressure. So my twists come out flawless every time because I wear wigs, because I wear wigs a lot, you guys know that. Yeah, so that twisting pattern situation helps me with my wigs and it helps me with a bomb natural hairstyle if that's what I want to do. And I keep the products at a minimum, you guys. Like literally lately I literally have been using, I said literally a lot, didn't I have been using the Do products and also Ottawa Beauty, and of course Cream of Nature. I love Cream of Nature and Alkane Naturals, but the top 2 are definitely the Do and Ottawa Beauty. I wore my hair in these twists for a few days and under my wigs, and I just took them down today. So I just wanted to show you that process. I just put this on my fingers, of course, to take down my twists so they don't get frizzy. And I do show you guys what my hair looks like in my fro, but my fro is so boring, you guys. It's super boring because I need a haircut. I haven't had a haircut in forever, and I need it because I do have some split ends and I have no shape, and that's why I don't really wear my hair in a fro. I'd rather have it in a bun or a puff, but usually a bun. So as far as once you take down your twist, I always leave these two sections alone because I know that I'm going to end up wearing a style like this. But the rest of it, I separate it as much as I want. I pick it, of course, with my handy dandy pick. And I also use a blow dryer to stretch it even more, because even though I started on stretched hair, I do add more moisture by adding water and the curl defying cream on the ends. So my hair does tend to shrink even more once I'm done twisting. So when I'm ready to have my hair down, I always like to stretch it a little bit more because I want as much length as possible. I'm not a fan of short hair, you guys know that. I'm okay with medium hair and long hair, but definitely stretching your hair gives your hair just so much more body, so much more length, so much more height. Whatever you're looking for, honey, it gives it body. Okay, so yeah, I'm a big fan of picking and stretching, and as long as you focus those techniques on the root of your hair, your fro should still look super curly and defined, because you shouldn't be touching the ends of your hair at all. I'm not a heat trained natural. I know that's a trend coming out nowadays, is a lot of naturals are straightening their hair to you know, just have their hair more like almost like Tex-Lax, but not with chemicals, it's with heat. But I'm not a fan of that. I don't like my hair straight. Like I have straightened my hair and it just looks too thin and blah. Like I'd rather have it textured. So I'm not a fan of that. But I am a stretched natural. Yes, it's a thing. It's a thing. And I think it's a thing because everybody's getting bored with natural hair. Honestly, first of all, that's why I don't post that much, because I think I'm getting bored with natural hair too. But I've been having fun lately since I've gotten more length. Thanks to Ryan. Thank you, honey. And because I've been playing with stretched hair more rather than, you know, styling soaking wet hair or trying to chase the perfect curl and juiciness. Like the juiciness isn't for me. And yeah, no, I just like my stretched natural hair. But anyway, that's all I wanted to come to you guys with, is just to show you the current state of my hair. And I did do Ryan's hair too. I thought it would be a cute little video, or I might separate them because I'm talking too much, so this might be two video full of content. Yeah, but anyway, I'm about to film another video because I got a new bag in and I have to show you guys. And it's date night, so I'm excited to wear it. I kind of think I should just keep this on though, wear all black. I don't know. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. You guys like my nubs? I've been wearing just short nails and just putting little designs on them because I'm a mommy of an infant, and those nails, I was like poking her and stuff. No. Alright, you guys.